Good day everyone, this is Charmar TV and today we will solve a random problem na mula sa Spriggs Math Challenge 2025 under po ng grade 8. So this is the problem. It is given that P is to Q is to R is equal to 5 is to 3 is to 7. Ayan. Find the numerical value of 9P minus 2Q all over Q plus 4R. Ayan. So, first, unawain muna natin yung konsepto ng proportion. That is, P is to Q is to R is equal to 5 is to 3 is to 7. So, dito sa proportion, guys, no, yung values ng P, Q, at R, no, ayan po yung tatlong numbers dito, bali equal siya sa 5 is to 3 is to 7. That is, pwede mo siyang makuha yung possible values ng P, Q, at R by multiplying those three numbers, 5, 3, 7 by a certain number. So, para mas maintindihan natin, magbibigay tayo ng example about this one. So, suppose na yung 5, 3, at 7 ay imumultiply natin sa 2. That is 2 times 5 is to 3 is to 7, something like this. Pag minultiply natin itong tatlo sa 2, magiging 10 is to 6 is to 14. And this ratio, 10 is to 6 is to 14, can be reduced to 5 is to 3 is to 7. So, ibig sabihin, yung value ng P ay 10, value ng Q ay 6, and value ng R ay 14. Now, kapag minultiply natin itong tatlo sa 5, another example po. So, let's say 5 times 5 is to 3 is to 7. Bale, pag minultiply mo tong tatlo sa 5, magiging 25 is to 15 is to 35. Itong tatlong numbers na yon sa ratio ay nare-reduce sa 5 is to 3 is to 7. Okay? So, guys, so ito po yung konsepto ng proportion that we can make equivalent ratios by multiplying this ratio by a certain number. Now, in general, kapag binultiply natin sa n, yung 5 is to 3 is to 7, yung ratio na yon, this will become 5n is to 3n is to 7n. So, any number na value ng n, pwede mo siyang ipasok dito, no? At kapag in-evaluate mo siya, mere-reduce siya lagi sa 5 is to 3 is to 7. Okay? So, ibig sabihin po, the value of P here is 5n, the value of Q is 3n, and the value of R is 7n. Okay? So, any number po yung n ha, as long as kapag in-evaluate natin, magiging equal siya sa ratio na 5 is to 3 is to 7. Okay? So, the question is, kukunin natin yung value ng 9p minus 2q all over q plus 4r. So, let's do this. Ano po? So, 9p minus 2q all over q plus 4r. Okay? Ayan po. And then, isubstitute natin yung values ng P, Q, at R dito sa expression. So, we have 9 times, ang P po natin ay 5N minus 2 times, ang Q po natin ay 3N. Ayan. All over Q, ang Q po natin ay 3N plus 4R. So, 4 times R. Ano yung R natin? 7N. And then, we're going to simplify this expression. So, 9 times 5 is 45n minus 2 times 3n is 6n all over 3n plus 4 times 7n, that is 28n. And then 45n minus 6n, that is 39n all over 3 plus 28n, that is equal to 31n. And you notice that yung 39n at yung 31n ay may common factor na n. So, we can cancel this common factor directly. So, ano na yung naiwan? We have 39 over 31. And this is the value of the expression in the problem. So, therefore, the value of 9p minus 2q all over q plus 4r is equal to 39 over 31. And this is the answer to this problem. Okay, so I hope you learned something about this video. And kung gusto nyo makita yung videos na kagaya nito, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to follow me on my TikTok account. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day to all.